Well, Courtney, it took quick thinking and the kindness of a stranger for the Woodbury family to narrowly escape Red Lodge, Montana. And for this family in particular, being stuck in that small town without the proper medical equipment and medication would have caused a dire situation. In need of a getaway, Ann and Kent Woodbury and their two sons, Michael and Chad, decide to stay in quiet Red Lodge, Montana, before setting their sights on Yellowstone. But after a couple of days, things quickly changed.
And as we drove through Red Lodge to exit, we could see all these police cars and barricades. And we tried to go out one way, and we couldn't go out that way.
Red Lodge was flooding, and fast.
And we saw houses out in the middle of the river as we're coming down the canyon that were completely isolated from the shore by the water.
Bridges to Yellowstone flooded, forcing them to turn back, stop at a rest stop where a kind stranger offers crucial advice.
That bridge you just passed over is the only exit from Red Lodge. All of the bridges have been washed out.
He says they don't have much time.
You probably only have 2 hours before this bridge washes out.
But for the Woodburys, being stranded isn't an option.
Our family all has a rare disease called myotonic muscular dystrophy.
The disease affects muscles across your body and your brain, which requires a lot of medical equipment and medication.
They've been stranded without medication that treats some of the symptoms of their disease.
The Woodburys race back to their hotel, pack up the necessities, and check into the only hotel they could find out of town. The family feels lucky to be home safe, getting back just last night after escaping a scenario that could have been tragic.
It was just nice knowing that we all made it and that we were all together in our car heading home.
Thankfully, the Woodburys are safe. They're a little bit exhausted, got in at about 10 p.m., but they are now home. Reporting live in West Jordan, I'm Allie O'Rulian, ABC4 News.